For homework, you need to watch the video on how to complete the problem and then copy down the solution in your notes. After you have finished watching the video, complete the sample problem at the end of the video for homework. Complete it with the additional book work that you were given. The first example problem will be found in note problem example number 1. It says, how many kilometers is 15,000 decimeters? So our first step here is to write down what the given and our unknown are. So in this problem, you see it tells us we have 15,000 decimeters. That means that that is going to be our given. So we are given 15,000 decimeters. It's asking us how many kilometers. So that means that our unknown are going to be kilometers. So as you can see here, we are doing a conversion, also known as a picket fence. So our first step is to find the conversion factor in order to get us from decimeters to kilometers. So if we remember from class, we wrote up the mnemonic device for kangaroos, hop down Bob's driveway, Christmas morning. So you always begin it all the way at the beginning and see which one you run into first. So the first one we run into is K, which is kilo. So we know that for 1 kilometer, we are going to have, so now we need to count how many spaces away it takes us to get to our deci, which is our little d. So we're going to put a 1 down, and we have to find out how many zeros we need to add. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to add 4 zeros, and that'll give us how many decimeters are in 1 kilometer. So for every 1 kilometer, we would have 10,000 decimeters. Now we can begin our picket fence. So we're going to draw our picket fence, and we always start with the given. So our given here is our 15,000 decimeters. We're going to put that over 1. So now we have our conversion factor. We need to figure out which one needs to go on the bottom and which one has to go on the top. So if you look, our units in our given are decimeters, which means that diagonal to that, we have to have decimeters to cancel it out. So on the bottom, we have to put 10,000 decimeters, which means that on top needs to go the other part of the conversion factor, which would be the 1 kilometer. If you think of in math class, when you have something as a numerator and something as a denominator, they cancel out. So if we were to rewrite this and solve it in our calculator, we would plug it in as 15,000 decimeters times 1 kilometer all over 10,000 decimeters. So our decimeters cancel out, leaving us with kilometers. So we would end up dividing 15,000 divided by 10, giving us 1.5, leaving the unit kilometers. So our final answer would be 1.5 kilometers. For homework, you need to complete the following problem. How many milligrams would be found in 2.2 grams?